Hello, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. For today, ang ating pag-aaralan ay paano kuhain ng quartile sa group data. So, let's start. Ang nakikita niyo po ngayon sa screen ay ang formula ng ating quartile group data. So, ayan ay Q equals to L sub QC plus C, open and close parenthesis Q, open and close parenthesis N over 4 minus FB over F sub QC. L sub QC is the lower class bound of quartile class. C is the class size. FB is the less than CF or less than cumulative frequency before the quartile class. N is the total number of the observation, and F sub QC is the frequency of the quartile class. As you can see sa screen natin, na andyan yung table na nagre-represent ng score ng 50 students sa isang chapter test. Ngayon, kailangan natin hanapin ang value ng first quartile. As you can see sa table na to, nandiyan na or given ang frequency distribution table. Sa iba, kailangan pa natin hanapin to, pero in our example, nandiyan na siya. Pero kailangan pa rin dapat alam natin lahat kung paano kukunin yung frequency distribution table. Diretso na tayo sa pag-compute ng ating first quartile. So, para makuha natin ang first quartile natin, gagamitin natin yung formula na i-flash natin kanina sa screen, which is the Q equals to L sub QC plus C, open and close parenthesis Q, open and close parenthesis N over 4, minus FB over F sub QC. Para makuha natin yung first quartile, kailangan muna natin i-identify yung quartile class. So, ngayon, ang hinahanap natin ay ang value ng first quartile. So, ang kailangan natin gamitin formula ay ang N over 4. Since ang total frequency natin ay 50, ang N natin magiging 50. So, magiging 50 over 4. So, 50 over 4 is equals to 12.5. Ngayon, nahanapin natin yung 12.5 sa less than cumulative frequency. Para mahanap natin siya, hanapin natin yung equal or greater than 12.5. So, ang mas malapit sa kanya is, dahil wala tayong 12.5, ang mas malapit na number sa kanya na mas mataas is yung 13. So, ang magiging quartile class natin is yung 13. Yan, yung may dark yellow na line. Yan yung quartile class natin. So, next step natin is kailangan natin i-substitute yung mga needed information gamit yung formula sa group data, which is yung kanina nga. So, since alam na natin yung quartile class natin, kailangan natin i-substitute yung mga information. So, ang magiging Q, di ba yung formula natin is Q equals to L sub QC plus C, ganyan. So, isa-substitute na natin siya. Ngayon, ang magiging lower class bound natin is equals to 15.5. Yan yung class boundary na nasa data natin. Ayan yung class boundary, yung lower class bound, yun yung kukunin nyo, which is the 15.5. Tapos yung class size natin is is 6. Yun yung interval, yun yung class interval natin. 6. Yung Q natin is 1, which is yung quartile 1. Yung N natin is yung 50, yun yung total frequency natin, 50 over 4. Ang ating FB or ang ating less than cumulative frequency before the quartile class is 6. Yun yung nasa taas ng 13 na quartile class natin. Yun yung before our quartile class. So, magiging 6 siya. Tapos yung ating F sub QC, yun yung frequency ng ating quartile class, which is 7. So, magiging 15.5 plus 6 open and close parenthesis 1, open and close parenthesis 50 over 4 minus 6 over 7. So after natin mag-substitute, magsisimplify naman tayo. So, in simplifying, one thing na dapat nating iisipin palagi or gagawin palagi is the PEMDAS. So, after natin mag-substitute and simplify, ang nakuha nating sagot ay 21.07 or 21. Next thing na gagawin naman natin ay alamin natin kung yung sagot natin na 21 ay nasa loob ng ating quartile class. Dapat, nasa loob ng quartile class para maging tama yung sagot natin. Yung sagot naman natin is 21, dapat nandun siya sa may class interval natin, which is yung class interval natin 16 to 21. Yung sagot natin is 21, so sakto siya doon. Nandun siya sa loob ng class, ng quartile class natin. So, tama yung sagot natin. For the last part ay ang interpretation ng nakuha natin. Alam naman natin na ang quartiles ay equally divided sa 4 na parts. And each part has 25%. And since na ang value na ating kinukuha ay ang first quartile, ibig sabihin nito na 25% ng students ay nakakuha ng equal or below 21. Or 75% ng mga estudyante ay nakakuha ng equal or above 21. With regards sa percentage ng ating interpretation, hindi laging 25% and 75%. So, yung percentage, nakadepende siya sa kung anong kinukuhang quartile. Like, kunwari, Q3, ibig sabihin, from the definition of the quartile, it is divided into 4 parts with 25% each. Since third quartile, it is also equivalent into 75%. Sa ganon, ang magiging interpretation natin is 75% ay equal or below sa score na makukuha nyo. And 25% sa score na makukuha nyo ay equal or above it. So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng quartile and yung interpretation nila.
Hi guys, I'm here to present how to get the deciles for group data. But first is let us see the formula. So, the formula is D equals LTC or lower class boundary of the decile class plus C or class size, open and close parentheses, D, open and close parentheses, n over 10 minus FB or less than CF before the decile class, divided by FDC or frequency of the decile class, close parentheses. So that's the formula to get the deciles for group data. So right here, you can see our table. So, dito po yung sa table namin is para makuha po natin yung LDC is kailangan po muna natin yung N which is 50 is i-divide natin sa 10 and times 3. So, ang lalabas po nun is yung magiging decile class nyo which is ang decile class namin is 22 to 27. So, yung buong square na ay buong linya na yon is yung decile class. So, ang ating class boundary or LDC is 21.5 plus 6 our class size and 6 is our class size kasi 6 po yung aming class size. Open and close parentheses 3, open and close parentheses 50 divided by 10 minus FB which ang aming FB is 13 and divided by 9. Ang frequency namin is 9. Starting step is uunahin natin yung nasa loob ng parentheses which is the 50 divided by 10 times 3 minus 13 divided over 9. So the answer is 0.222 times 6 plus 21.5 equals 22.83. So ang ating decile is 27.5. So, pasok siya. So, yun po yung ating answer.
Good morning everyone, my name is Joshua F. Jesus and today I am going to explain how to get the percentile on a group data. I am going to have my other phone as a reference so I won't be having hard time explaining. And sorry for the background, it's kind of messy in my room. So let's start. The formula for the percentile is P equals LPC plus C open parenthesis P another open parenthesis N is divided by 100 close parenthesis minus FB close parenthesis and divided by FPC. LPC means the lower class boundary of the percentile class, the lower class percentile. C is the class size, FB is the less than CF for the percentile class, N is the total number of observation or total number, FPC is the frequency of the percentile class. So let's start with the problem. Before we start, I am going to give note. The table that we are going to use is already complete, so there's no need to solve for the class interval, frequency, etc. So for the formula of the percentile, which is LPC plus C, open parenthesis P, N divided by 100. The 100 is already given, so you won't have to solve for it. But if you need to solve for it, you want to solve for it, you can just close parentheses minus FP divided by FPC and close parentheses. So let's start. LPC, which is the lower class boundary. So for the lower class boundary, it's 15.5 plus 6, or the class interval, class size. Right? How do you get the class size? You need to identify the difference between the upper limit and the lower limit. In this case, 16 to 21, so let's count. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 6. Open parenthesis, P. In this case, it's the percentile actually. It's the percentile that you're looking for. But we didn't include the what percentile we are finding, so we just put 22. So let's just think that we are solving for percentile 22, E22. So LPC lower class boundary is 15.5 plus class size 6 open parenthesis 22. The total number of observation, which is 50, total frequency, FPC plus 6 open parenthesis 22 open parenthesis 50 divided by 100. 100, I already told you that it is given. Close parenthesis minus FB, which is 6. You can see the FB before the percentile class. So in this case, before the percentile class is 6. As you can see, below 13 is 6. So that's it. Divided by FPC, which is 7. The frequency of the percentile data, in this case 7, as you can see. So, and close parenthesis. So how do you solve it? First, we need to solve the n over 100. So that n over 100, 50 divided by 100, 50 divided by 100, which is 0.5. That will 0.5, 50 over 100. 20, then multiply the 0 0.5 for 22. 22 times 0.5, 11. Then minus 2, 6. Minus 6 equals 5. Then divided by 7, we get 0.714285714287, or just write 0.71. That's it. Now next is 15.5 plus 6. We need to add it first before we multiply it to the 0.71. So let's add 15.5 plus 6. So we get 21.5. Then after we get that 21.5, we multiply it for 0.71. 15.5 plus 6 multiplied by 0.71, we get 19.78, or that's 6. So that's how you get the percentile. Thank you for watching.